طلبة وطالبات الصف الثالث الثانوي مادة تفاضل كالكولاس لغات. إن شاء الله النهارده هناخد في السيشن ده مراجعة على اليونت 1. نبدأ سريعا في الأسئلة المختارة. السؤال الأول: If f of x equals 6x, then f double dash of pi over 3 equals is A 2 root 3, B 6, C 8, D 14. First, the plan is to find the plan is to find f double dash, to find first f dash, then f double dash, plus we will find f double dash of pi over 3 by substituting pi over 3 instead of x. First, f of x, f dash of x of 6x. 6x, the first differentiation of it is 6 10 equals 6x 10 x. Next, f double dash of x equals the first times differentiation of 10x is 6 squared, plus the second times differentiation of 6 is 6 10 6x 10x. We will simplify 6x 6 squared x 6 cubed x plus 10 squared 6x. By substituting or finding the f double dash of pi over 3 equals, if we have 60 degrees angle, 1, 2, 3, then what is the 6 square, 6 cube? 6 first is the reciprocal of 1 over 2, is 2 over 1, 2 over 1, and 2 power 3, plus 10 root 3 over 1, root 3 power 2 equals 3, 6x times 2, the answer is 14. Then the choice is D. Next. The second question: if x equal z plus 1 over z minus 1 and y equal z minus 1 over z plus 1, then find d2y by dx2 at z equals 0. If we observe the x and y, z plus y, z plus 1, z minus 1, z minus 1, z plus 1, each one of them is the reciprocal of the other. To find the relation, first to find d2y by dx, find the relation between x and y. If we multiply x times y, it will be equal to 1. This implies that y equal x of negative 1. Then we will differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equals negative 1 x power negative 2. d2y by dx square equals negative 1 times negative 2 x power negative 3 equals 2 power 2x power negative 3. Now we want to find the value of d2y by dx square at z equals 0. Then the relation between x and z comes from here. X equal z plus 1 over z minus 1. Then x at z equals 0 equals 1 over negative 1 equals negative 1. Then d2y by dx squared equals. Now, The d to y is 2x power negative 3, 2, and negative 1 power negative 3 equals 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2. Then the answer is, the value is d to y by dx squared is negative 2. Next. The question number 3. If a stone fell in a still water, then a circular wave is formed. We have a stone dropped here. There is a wave, circular wave, will be formed with radius r. This radius increases at a rate of 4 centimeters per second. Means each second its radius increases or widens 4 centimeters more. Find the rate of increasing of the surface area of the wave at the end of 5 seconds. The time rate for the area comes from a relation between the area and the radius. It is obvious that the area equal pi r squared. This is a relation that connects the area and the radius. Now we want to find the rate, the change of the area through the change of the time. This comes from the differentiation with respect to the time. We will differentiate each side with respect to the time as dA by dt equals. Differentiate, this is an implicit. We will differentiate r in terms of t. It will be 2r by dr by dt. We have to write the r by dt because it is an implicit relation. Now we want to find the r after 5 seconds, and the r by dt it is given here. Now we want to find the r after 5 seconds. R after 5 seconds equals 5 times the rate, 4 equals 20 centimeters. Now we will substitute with the r after 5 seconds and the r by dt from the given to get the rate of change of the area, or the rate of increasing of the area, dA by dt equal 2 times 20 pi times, what is the r by dt? It's 4. The answer is 2 times 20, 40 times 4, 160 pi. Then the rate of change of the surface area, or the increasing of surface area through the time is 165. Next. It's a very intelligent question. Question number 4. The normal of the circle. What is the meaning of the normal of the circle? The normal of the circle at a point, it is the normal of the tangent of the circle at this point. Then if we draw a normal of this tangent, definitely it will pass through the center. Let's read again. The normal of the circle x squared plus y squared is 12 at any point passing through the point. Here, any point pass through the circle. If I write or draw another tangent and draw another normal, they intersect at a fixed point, it is at the center. Then the center of the circle is the needed point. Where is the center? This is an equation of the circle, which its center is 0 and 0. Then it is important to take care about the cumulative questions from the past grades. Next. If the curve, question number 5. If the curve y equal 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 has two parallel tangents. One of them touches the curve at the point -1 and 2, find the equation of the second tangent. If we try to imagine this curve, it will be something like that. Because it is a cube equation, then I have 2 points, has 2 parallel tangents, like that. One point is -1 and 2, the second point is needed or required. First, the equation of the tangent to find the slope derived from, we can obtain it from, we want to find the slope. The 2 parallel lines has the same slope. If we find the slope from this equation, it's very easy. We will differentiate by, or according to x, dy by dx equals 6x squared plus 6x plus 4. Next, the slope of this tangent m. It is the value when x equals -1 for this point. We will find now the m. We will substitute -1 power 2 is 1, 6, plus -1 times 6, -6, plus 4, cut 6 with -6, then the slope of the 2 parallel lines is 4. Now we want to get the points, the 2 points. One of them is given, the other we will take it now. We will write the equation of the value. We can get the value of any tangent by this relation. 6x power 2 plus 6x plus 4 equals 4. Cut 4 with 4, then 6x squared plus 6x equals 0. Take 6x common factor, remain x plus 1 equals 0. Now, either 6x equals 0, then x equals 0. This implies that y, where is y? The relation is y equal to x cubed. Put x equals 0. Put x equals 0. Put x equals 0. Now we will remove the 3 terms, the first 3 terms. Then y will be equals to 5. Then the point, the new point is 0 and 5. If we have the new point 0 and 5, we want to confirm that the second point, when x equals 0, give 5 and x equal -1, the second option, x plus 1 equal -1. If we substitute with -1 with x, we will find the second point of y is 2. Then I have 2 points, 0 and 5, and the point -1 and 2, -1 and 2. Lastly, we want to find the equation. If the point is 0 and 5 and the slope equals 4, it's very easy to find the equation of this straight line by the relation y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Y minus y1, y, this is y1 equal 4x minus 0. Y minus 5 equal 4x. Then the equation, or the required equation, is 4x minus y plus 5 equals 0. This is the end of our question today. For the next session, inshallah. Thank you very much.